Good morning everyone, my name is Chris, or otherwise known in geocaching circles as SykeRN. I'm here today at the Whites Road entrance to Waiho Walkway, which is where I've got a cache that I'm doing some maintenance on. It's approximately 4.7 kilometres a walk, reasonably easy across countryside styles, and the source of the Blue Springs is on here as well, so we're going to go past that. I'll take a few photos, and here's a little entrance shot of Whites Road entrance. So you see it's pretty straightforward really. So I'm just going to stop here, and I'm actually going to start from the other end at Leslie Road, and I'll show you a bit of the track on the way through. So I'll see you shortly. Right guys, here we are at the Leslie Road end. It's a decent car park from when I first placed the cache here in 2005. So now you've got a decent car park, a lot of car parks along the road, and a section just over here. So I'm just getting some coordinates organised, and then we'll head on our way. Here's the start of the track, pretty easy. Interesting countryside. Know where that goes to. Let's have a look when I come back. Oh, rest area. It's pretty warm today, probably in the mid-20s at the moment, and it's just gone about 10:40. I just went past a sign that said no drones, and the picture indicated falling rocks. I presume it must be the risk for them. Got some fellow travellers coming up with me follow me. Gorgeous blue clean water. This is the source of the blue spring water that we bottle and sell in New Zealand overseas. I believe we're trying to find to buy it, but I hope it never happens. Isn't that gorgeous? Got some fellow trampers behind us. According to my information, the geocache I'm replacing is about 780 metres away. 650 metres to go to my geocache. It'll stop to take some video. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's so peaceful. We are only about 300 metres from the Blue Springs source, I believe. What the sign said anyway. Quite a few people on the track this morning. Good to see appropriate resources on the track. Various reports from my logs on my geocache, which has been in since 2005, is that people have found human excrement when looking for the geocache. So that's really disgusting. I don't know how people will do it, and especially when it's so crowded. Here we are at the spring source itself. So peaceful. Gone about 810 metres from my start point on Leslie Road. Boardwalk situation. Some bird life, ducks. There's the odd slightly steeper section, but it doesn't look too difficult. Getting about 300 metres from my missing geocache. Oh, lovely. Another steep little section. I can hear a waterfall down there. I feel like there's this waterfall. 67 metres from GZ for Te Wahau Walk, as I said, was placed in November 2005, one of my oldest geocaches. There's the clue, the geocaching clue for you guys. It's in this little spot in this there, and we have to go up the track a little bit and then to the right. So hopefully it won't get muggled so easily. Good view. Yeah. I've just met some Japanese people. I think they might be New Zealand citizens, but they're quite keen on the idea of geocaching, so they might go geocaching. I've since when I was there, I replaced the container with a new log sheet, and I've taken reasonably accurate coordinates with my Oregon 600 GPS, so hopefully, and I'll update the coordinates when I get back home. Beautiful track, well maintained. The other end, good New Zealand native ferns and what have you. I'm about 160 odd metres from my geocache location I've just replaced. I'm now starting to look for a new spot for the second geocache on this walkway. I think it needs another one. Should be lovely. I think I've sourced a possible location for my second cache. We'll have a look when we get there in about 5-6 minutes time. Getting a bit warm, I'm starting to get a bit of a sweat up. It's now about a time 11:26. I've been going a good hour, nearly an hour to get this point. Picnic tables here if you want to bring a picnic, and even a toilet. That's pretty impressive for when I was last here. Over the stream on the other side. Apparently there's a bit more up here, then it loops around to the other side again where I was on. So yeah, I can start looking for a location shortly for my second geocache. Across the stream, as I said, we have a loop track across the stream. I think this is where the loop track joins up. I was thinking about putting my geocache container here or around this area. Yeah, a bit of a panic there. I had an SD card area and the number went back to 0, back to 1. I thought I lost all that footage, but I appeared to be okay. I just reset the GoPro. Not far, I don't think we're that far from the other end now. There's a structure there, there's a sign back there that tells you what it's for, I believe. Oh, I'd take a photo of the sign. According to my watch, I've done 3.91 k's, and there's a sign back there that said 1.4 k's to go. About 1k to go. This is apparently the blessing site. Read the sign. Yeah, quite a nice area, and it's a bit cooler. Last time I may have touched a button on my GoPro and changed the field of view, so I'm down to medium at the moment. I hope that was what it was before, otherwise it's a bit narrower than what it was wide. So anyway, we'll have a look when I come to edit this thing. About 410 metres from the Waite Road entrance to the track. Not far now, I can hear the cars on White's Road. Battery's about 35%. So. Yeah guys, that's the car park. Basically my watch tells me I've done about just over 5k's. It does tend to overread my distance, I think. So anyway, I'll give you a short report at the other end in a few moments. Yeah guys, me and my water bottle at the end. Hope you enjoyed my just on 5k trek of the Te Wāhau walkway to do some maintenance on my one of my geocaches dated 2005 and put in a new one. It's been quite a pleasant morning. It's pretty hot. It's about 12 midday, so it's taken me a good hour and a half. Going fairly slowly. I'll be going straight back. So you've vicariously seen the walkway. I hope you like it, and hope to see you on the walkway back sometime soon.